Hello, friends. I'm here again with another tool, your tech friend Rosie Gandhi, to make you engage your students in fun learning. So, today's tool is how to use Flipgrid in the classroom. Wow, Flipgrid is an exciting tool, and let me take you there. You can ask your students to join in, send their response. Maybe you can use it as an exit ticket or as an activity where they can speak or send their video through this Flipgrid, and it's exciting because you can see all the students work together. So first you just have to go and log in through the flipgrid.com, sign up using one of these options. Google would be a better option, so I'm just going for that. You can check in the email which you want to log in with, and it signs you up. After you've signed up in, you get to see this Flipgrid screen, and a lot of exciting stuff you can do with your students. I'm sure your students are going to really enjoy your lesson when you do the Flipgrid with them. I have tried it many times with my students. They simply love it. Okay, so there are certain options here which you can see. It says my activity, which shows all your activities you have done here. My grid. So there are two things important in Flipgrid: the grid and the topic. Grid is a kind of a place where all your students put their videos. So if you want to share it with some other community, you can pick out the grids, maybe some good ones, or maybe you want to share the whole, and you can share it with the further community of teachers across the globe. You have something called Disco Library here, which has lots of collection. It's a library of Flipgrids. You can search topics, you can search it subject wise, if you see computer science, and it shares all the kind of grid it has for computer science. I can also check out for what level I want. So if I say elementary, it shows me different levels. So you have pre-made grids also which you can share with your students, which is an excellent tool. Okay, let's go back and create our grid for our class. So the main option to go here is add new grid. It's very quick. Just write down the topic here. And if I say computer in computer virus, and you have to select what type of grid you want and how do you want your students to access the grid. So best suited is school email because that's a common email, and if they type that, they can just enter it. So we select this, create a flip code. Now this is interesting. This is the code through which your students will access this grid. You can also make a little change, and I can say, okay, if we leave it blank, then it shows a random code which we don't want. So we will just go back and try to create again because it took us back. Okay, so computer virus. Okay, and I want the school email ID to be selected. Flipcode, you can just make a change here if you want to make a little change here, just saying Gandhi or that's all. I go next. What email you want the students to follow up? So if it's school email, you can put school email. So I'm just writing Gmail, and it says 3 quick notes. A Microsoft Google account is required. So I did say at Gmail, but I forgot to write .com. Yes, now it gives me. And this is the code which you can share with your students through Teams or through Google Classroom or through Share. Guys, please remember it's a very easy tool. If you're using Zoom, you can just share this grid on Zoom, put it on chat. Students can click on this grid and go and come here. Once they click on that, they come here and they can, now you can just add a topic. If you want to add details for computer virus, I can just write computer virus is the topic for which you have to write down or make the video on, and I can say state and explain types of computer virus. So it can be any activity which you want to share with them. Here the spelling shows wrong. Okay, and you can give the recording time. The recording time maximum is 10 minutes, but you can select how much you want. So if you want a quick one, 45-second, a quick recap, you can do that. Video moderation is a tool or a feature for if you want the students' videos should not be shown directly on the grid and you want to moderate and then select and then put it. So you can put this off if you want everybody to just showcase. But if you want to moderate, then it has to be on. Okay, so I think we're nearly done. You can save changes to my default settings. If you go to more options, you can give students some tips. You can send them some URL from where you want them to study or maybe take some notes or you want them to refer to that. That is also possible. And you can also put the topic status if you want it to be active or if you want to be hidden or frozen with the dates, you can put it here. You can also allow them or not allow them with certain things. Video title, if you want to allow students to add, display number of views a video has received. So accordingly, you can check out. Sticky notes, if you want to allow students to add sticky notes while they're recording, put on or off, it's up to you. If you want students to edit their video, allow them on off. Again, your choice. You want students to like other students' videos, you can put this on. Student to student replies, if you want that to be allowed, you can again put this on. So these are the settings which you can control for your grid. Okay, provide basic feedback and respond based on student verbalization and clarity of express. If you want to put any feedback or something, you can use this option. So if you want to put custom, you can add a rubric. So accordingly, it will highlight the um, feedback accordingly, right? So we're not getting into a very complex thing because there's lots you can do with Flipgrid, but we will just right now go into something which is really simple. So just click on create topic and your topic is ready and you're ready to share the link or using a QR code. You can share the link through Teams, Google Classroom, you can embed it in a file or you can just share it and you're set to use. So here you go. And once your grid is ready, you can just click share and you can share from here also. Okay. So that's here with your Flipgrid, and you can also have, you can record a response and send it to the students. Okay, so I'm just going to show you quickly. These are the filters which you can add. So I'm adding emoji here because I don't want my face to be shown. So I'm just going to use this. Okay, so I'm going to start recording. Hello students, we are going to have fun lesson today and you expected to make a short video on computer virus. You can state different types of computer virus and explain them in a short video of 45 seconds. I'm going to wait for you so you make it quick and have fun doing your activity. Bye bye. Happy learning. So that's it, and then you can put it, use it as a board, a whiteboard if you want to write something. And if you want to add some sticker, you can drop in a sticker from here. So there are lots you can do. We are not going to show anything else beyond this, and we are going to just enjoy using our Flipgrid with our students. So friends, enjoy using Flipgrid with your students and do let me know through comment how did you like using in your class, and if you require any further help, definitely write to me and let me know how are the videos helping you, not helping you, if I can help you in any way. Till then, take care. Bye bye. See you back soon again with another video.